Okay, since I'm such a girl, it is 3:40 something, and my ride was gonna come get me at 4, so I need to hurry it up. But I'm dressed. I don't know if I want to keep these shorts on. It do like a skirt, but it's not a skirt. It's shorts. But I got my 2-piece on. But I'm trying to figure out, like, I don't know where to put my phone. See, that's why I need to go in my car, and I need to get my stand. I don't got my stand, y'all. Trying to, I don't know. You gonna stay? But I'm gonna put it on speed. It's gonna speed up because I gotta wash my face and all that, and I don't want to go slow mo. Because I'm playing music, and I'm gonna open back the door so I can play the music. So y'all gonna see me get ready, finish getting ready, but it's gonna be on fast mode.
Working OT, trying to show you what it's like to know me. Never since the day you approached me, I've been thinking about you and you only. And we just like a fuck, that's nothing else. You know, I'm falling in love, that's for someone else.
Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna get to y'all once I get in the car or on my way or when I get there. I missed that shit. See, that blew the fuck out of me. It don't even zoom out. I want it to zoom out on my son. Y'all smoke? This shit nice. Y'all, it was just hot as hell. It's a little windy and shit. This shit nice as hell. Alright, so shit nice. It's not as hot out here. It's not hot out here. This motherfucker nice though. This the Big Daddy trucks. Oh my soul. This the Big Daddy trucks. For real. The tires, the ribs, nice as hell. It's big as hell. This them big daddy trucks. Anytime I see these big ass trucks like that, I automatically think that that's some big daddy truck. We on the right. For real. Like this bitch bigger than me. That bitch raw as hell. Green on the other side. That bitch nice. And then it missed the tires on myself. That's why I went to the back. Unless it's more detail in the back. Oh shit. Detail. That motherfucking nice. They got the cars out. Got the fat shit. Is that nice? This that nice shit. See, my shit don't even flip. My shit don't even flip. That bitch.
Alright, we gonna try and find a spot. We got you.
Mic check. Y'all. Oh, I'm whispering. Y'all. Today, I just had to make sure I had a mic check. Today, do y'all know what today is? Today, Nigeri's performing. Yeah, we got G in the cut. We're gonna be performing background dancers, and yeah, all that nice good stuff. No, for real. Yeah, it's okay. Cause when you blow up, they gonna be wanting to be your background dancer.
She gonna be mad.
Oh, now y'all want to be the background dancers?
She damn. Why she know you so well? What? She said, I was like, you gonna be mad. She was like, oh, now y'all want to be background dancers. That sounds just like you.
That's her. Y'all. We're getting ready. Well, we are ready. We just really waiting on Gianna for real.
Yeah, we gotta go, babe.
Hold on, I'm looking for some. Fuck.
She's getting angry. Guys, we're gonna get back to you when we're in the car. I had to make sure I didn't see the green light. Honcho. Okay, fuck the buzz ball then. Fuck that. But nah. I still got the motherfucking plastic on her. Let me go ahead and take it off. It's giving very much FBI. I look like a real FBI type of on the movies when they be like, is that a mic? Yes, it is. She's stretching right now. So if y'all see her hair all the way down here, just know she's stretching. She said, I don't be stretching. You need to. Getting gym class. I hate gym class. I don't know. She really dedicated. I don't know. No. She killing me. Y'all, I'm trying to untangle, detangle. When I first get up in there, I gotta go to the bathroom. Because I gotta wet my hair.
I'm the type to play cool, be in my thoughts. Friends when you froze, playing roles like caught. Burning like a good, you get smoked like a pot shelf and full of my 2 liter drop the color of my pop. Literally.
Y'all, Gianna needs to be a bartender. Look at the buzz wall she made.
I need to be a model too. Both dudes look like twins and shit.
Like, y'all, she really did.
I forgot to take this out.
I'm gonna wait till I wet it. So I can just stay in one piece right now.
Bro.
That's why I unbraided them a little bit. That's low-key cute though. The little pigtail, braided little pigtails, look cute though. But I still need to wet this motherfucker though. It's a little dry.
Take your shot.
I'm scared. You see, I'm trying to stall.
Just take a couple little jumper jacks. Just hit the corner and shit.
Hit the Quan. She killing me.
Hit the duty booty.
She's killing me.
I can feel these energies and I can't get away. I need a drink or something. Damn, my nigga, I didn't let it day. I got the girl, and if you know that shit costing, I got bills, then I'm a bust, so I'm gonna make sure that we straight. I've been trying to.
So this we kind of just like crowd around him. So this is the first song. We kind of just crowd around him with our flashlights and we just like.
Right.
So he's gonna be like sitting down like this, and then we just go be around him with our flashlights. We're just like.
Damn, who got 2 phones? Because I low-key want to vlog. Nige. Can I see Nige phone? Use his flash.
Your ass 10 minutes away.
Nige, when we do the part when we doing the flash, I'm gonna already be recording. So I'm gonna need your phone for your flash when we put in the flashes at you. Okay, so I'm gonna just use Nige's phone.
I feel like I'm missing a song.
Cause I'm gonna vlog this
Wait.
for sure. For sure, for sure. Pissing her. I'm finna see what they got to say. Hold on. You got it? She got these long ass nails. I love them though. Stiletto though. Stiletto. Ew. Ew. I can't do them. I should do them
know
though.
how to do press-ons?
Be for real. Be for real. Hell yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. I'm drinking my H2O for sure. You will never catch me like for myself.
Yeah, you ain't never addressed that in private, and we only see you in private settings and shit.
Let me get to y'all when we get in there. The vlog, I don't care what y'all want to be in. But let me know how y'all feel, how y'all feeling. You guys are performing. How you feeling? You cool? You excited?
Not really.
Nige? Not really? You used to this shit? You choose to this shit? Nige?
Shit, he already explained it. Bro,
You feeling the same way?
I can't wait till I'm in the United Center. This ain't shit.
This ain't shit.
Now catch me in the United Center.
Behind the scenes.
Then I'm gonna be. I might fuck around and be geeking in the back at United Center or some shit. It's some stuff.
Look, y'all seen it from the jump, from the beginning, from the raw shit. But nah, for real, y'all. This is the second time for me. Low key excited. First time, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even know I was finna fucking perform. I really thought I was coming for support. I was not dressed for the occasion. I came in there looking like an assistant. On my soul, I came in there looking like an assistant, looking like a teacher. I was giving on some classy grown woman assistant type shit. I'm thinking I'm managing some shit. Nah, he said perform. I said perform. Gianna was like, yeah, bitch, you performing. I said, what? I was not ready for that. I'm gonna put a clip of what I had on. Actually, I'm gonna put a clip of the when we was all on stage. But it looked a little blurry, a little bogus because it wasn't on my phone, and you know how that reposting stuff go when somebody else sent it to you. So actually, in real, I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone. So while we on stage, I'm gonna low key set the phone up so y'all can see the whole performance off of my shit. I'm not doing it again. You're not killing me. She trying to kill me, y'all. I'm gonna be on the stage drunk as hell.
We posting bottles all day on your story.
This seems like some cup water ass shit. Sneak up on you type shit.
What you mean? It's about like 50% alcohol.
50% alcohol. 50% alcohol.
It's only a little bit. Look at this.
She's drunk as hell. That's why it tastes like water to her ass. Look at her ass.
No, I'm not.
She getting jiggy with it.
I'm just jiggy with
Getting
it.
jiggy with it.
What do you say?
Get it, jiggy.
Okay, I'm doing it. No, you right. I'm trying to slow it.
She trying to kill me. She's trying to kill me, y'all. Talking about take another one. I'm gonna be on the stage loose as hell. Y'all just gotta tell me what to do. Yeah. Oh, you want it? Look. Oh, you want it? I'm passing it. I'm gonna pass it. Y'all, we pre-gaming this shit. Yeah. Pre-game.
Let me see on that stage. I'm
Okay, so we need to go back. We need to go back over there and we need to practice on the part that we dancing on. Cause
You could do this. You could do about 1 or 2.
you see what she's talking about.
I finish it off. It's really that serious. Or I do it again. Just a little bit.
She's trying to have a bitch.
You see how pretty it is, though? Like,
It is. That's why I love it though.
we're going to call this Crystal Clears. Crystal Clears.
She
By
done
Gianna
put a
Dominguez.
name. She done made a name.
I'm the mix.
Talking about cause I'm the menace. Girl, sit down.
Tired of holding this up. This is what we danced to. Yeah, start off with the little 1, 2. Did you go? Is this on heart? So when he goes like this on heart, we could like go like. So
I gotta memorize the song, y'all. That's why I tell her to replay this shit.
you wanna hold it so you can hear it? So after you fly, that's basically what you do the heart.
Right. Y'all, why this part about me? Like that's so sweet. I ain't never had nobody right about me.
Michael coming in with a little wig.
Hey, we gotta replay that. We gotta replay it. But I'm trying to memorize. I'm trying to see where I put the phone. Where you put the phone at before?
Yeah. I know she did. Go. Just let you know.
That's when you do a split. Yes. You ain't know. She ain't know. She must
Oh yeah,
have.
you did at the last show. We
Yes,
all did.
I did. We did. Somebody rolled again. Second blunt. You don't have her?
No.
Okay, you want to do it?
I don't got no booty.
Okay, look.
She just-
You can still move. You yes, you do. Yeah, I'm scared. She gonna beat my ass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, because I see that shit.
Almost got in my eye.
I see. She really trying to take down the shot, or she finna let the shot take down her. You finna let the shot take down you.
Take a little more. I'm gonna get the rest of this.
She's trying to kill me, y'all.
No, I'm not.
I'm finna be in there drunk as hell.
I'm finna drink my water.
For real.
Yeah, that's how y'all coming.
You can't be doing that. You're gonna scare the fuck out of me.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Are you gonna blow up now?
Yes, I'm gonna vlog it all today. For sure. The first one I didn't because I was trying to use my flash for the part we need flash, but I'm gonna use Nigel's phone. Well, when we was getting ready, it was before we left out.
So do you remember that part? The hurt part?
Yeah. Why would you get jumpy from my shirt?
Huh?
Why would you get jumpy from my shirt?
I'm not doing it.
Y'all just sat there and finished that whole bus lobby.
Okay. I'm not fucked up. Like, I know what to do.
Guys, I don't even know what time it is. Yo, look at this finally here. I just hope this vlog work out. I already charged my phone and shit like that. You good? But we don't have to perform until fucking like 12. But still, like, that shit right there. The last time I did it was last year. For real. But we gonna see how it goes tonight. For sure. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
What happened? I forgot I got these inner pockets. And they give me shells. These are small.
So that's something that's good to have. You know, I love the pockets with the pockets in the inside.
We definitely need to get it considered.
Yeah, as y'all can see, I had already pre-prepped my hair because I already knew what the fuck was going on. A lighter?
The liner and the lip gloss.
I didn't bring it with me. I put it back. You should have told me.
Girl, you should have brought it. I told you to take anything you wanted.
I'm like, I put it right back in the bin.
With our bus and
Yeah, I'm lucky getting nervous. Yeah, but
girl, in like 3 months, me and you gonna be performing all the things together.
you gotta get over the fear.
We gotta make a song together. We gotta make a couple of them.
For
And we
sure.
can just produce it together.
Y'all just don't know, like,
Because you was literally the only female female rapper that I know. So, you gonna get in this August, July, one of them motherfuckers.
for sure.
What the bitch be doing?
Hey, y'all, I'm so boobs. My boobs grow, and I hate it. I'm at a double D. At first, I was at a C. A C36.
I'm dropping weight. I used to be a B something, but now I'm a double A. And now I'm a 000.
Baby, she just needs to start eating a little more. Yes, y'all, because I know y'all had realized when I had dropped weight and stuff. I had dropped weight because I was real life depressed. Y'all, I love this for us. Come here. I love this for us. Our stockings is a little different, but it's okay. I don't know if I'm ready to go out there. Are you? Are you ready to go out there?
Yeah, that's gotta find my first. You wanna hit it?
She was T with us. I know that's right. It laid down good today. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to some action.
Fancy, huh? Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got